Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript. And in this tutorial we are going to learn JavaScript const variable with array and objects. How we can use const variable with array and object. So let's start the practical. So as you can see, side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using live server extension, and I already created a HTML document named index.html. In our 6th tutorial, we already learned how we can use let and const variables. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can use const variable with array and objects. So let's create a variable using const keyword. So here I'm going to type const, and our variable name is a equal to, and here I'm going to assign a numeric value 90, then semicolon to end this line. Also, I'm going to print this variable in my console. So here I'm going to type console.log inside the round braces our variable name a and semicolon to end this line. If I save this file and show you my console, as you can see it's print 90. But if I try to reassign the value, let me show you. Const our variable name a equal to 30, semicolon to end this line. If I save this file, now you can see it's written error, because we cannot change existing value in const variable. Suppose we work with an array and we need to reassign a new value. So let's create an array. Inside the square braces, I'm going to pass total 3 values, 12, 67 and 88. Now I want to override this array with a new array. So here I'm going to pass another array. So here I'm going to create another array, and here I'm going to pass 20, 30, 40. If I save this file, as you can see, it's written an error again, because we cannot reassign new value to const variable. But we can update array index one by one. Let me show you. Suppose I want to update 67 to 69. So I'm going to remove this one, and here I'm going to type 69. And after the variable, we need to use square braces, and we need to pass the index number, and the index number is 1. If I save this file, you can see the result. You can see in my console section, we successfully update our array index using this method. So now let's see how we can use const variable with objects. So I'm going to remove square braces, and here I'm going to take curly braces. And inside the curly braces, I'm going to take two properties, name and word. And our next property is age. Age 21. That's why we need to put in inside the double quotes. And for now, I'm going to comment out this line. If I save this file, you can see the result in my console. And if you want to update this object, in that case, you need to type object name a dot the property name, which is age. Age equal to 33. And semicolon to end this line. If I save this file, you can see the result. So the conclusion is, you cannot update the whole object at once. You can update one by one value if you use const variable. So this is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.